I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Jeep Cherokee software. The most reliable and often the only way to update your Jeep Cherokee's core software is by visiting an authorized dealership. Unlike some newer vehicles, over-the-air updates for the main vehicle systems are not a standard feature for many Jeep Cherokee models. Dealerships possess the specialized diagnostic tools and expertise required to perform these crucial updates correctly and safely, ensuring your vehicle runs optimally. You might wonder why a dealership visit is essential for these updates. Well, dealerships have exclusive access to proprietary software and specialized diagnostic equipment that isn't available to the public. These updates often involve intricate connections to your vehicle's core electronic control units, such as the PCM, HVAC, and ABS modules. Certified technicians are extensively trained to perform these complex installations, minimizing any risk of errors. Attempting these updates yourself without the proper tools could potentially cause significant system malfunctions. The process itself is straightforward. First, schedule an appointment with your local authorized Jeep dealership service department. When you arrive, clearly communicate to your service advisor that you are there for any available software updates. A certified technician will then connect your Jeep Cherokee to their specialized diagnostic system. This system allows them to identify and download the latest software versions, which are then installed directly onto your vehicle's various control modules. Performing these updates offers several key benefits. They can significantly enhance your vehicle's safety features, improve overall reliability, and even boost the performance of your infotainment system or engine management. Always ask your service advisor about the specific updates being applied and what improvements they offer. Many software updates are performed free of charge, especially if done during a routine maintenance appointment, ensuring your Jeep Cherokee remains in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.